present bias is a tendency for us to overvalue characteristics and benefits of the present moment, such as looks, money, height, type of job, and undervalue future benefits, the things that will actually matter when it comes to creating a long-term committed partnership. Research shows that what actually matters in a successful relationship is emotional stability, kindness, empathy, ability to deal with conflicts together, an alignment of values, and an ability to handle life's big ups and downs. So nowhere in the research does it show that in those who report a satisfied, happy partnership, it's how tall they were, or that they made $135,000 a year, or that they were a tech entrepreneur, or they loved skateboarding. Nowhere. So too often we have a dating strategy that worked for us when we were younger and maybe just wanted adventure and experience. But when you are looking for someone and you want to build a partnership with someone, you've got to make sure that your dating strategy is updated. Now, another issue that happens in the evaluation stage is chemistry. Chemistry can really screw us over in the sense that you're on love drugs. And when you're on those love drugs, it's like driving drunk, right? You're navigating this relationship drunk. And too often, we prioritize the chemistry and the connection, even though the other parts of the partnership, compatibility, alignment of values, timing, even though those things aren't there, you're like, oh, it's fine. I feel this connection. Oh, the sex is so good. There's just so much chemistry. So you let chemistry trump the compatibility, and that doesn't work out. And I don't blame you. You are fed fairy tales, to the romantic movies, to the love songs. You're constantly fed this idea that love is intense and that you lock eyes with someone, you just want to rip their clothes off, and this chemistry and this love is all that you need. Sorry, you've been lied to for a couple decades. So no wonder you might be engaging in behavior and choosing the wrong people and not getting the results you want. You weren't really taught. They don't teach you this stuff in school. You want to be optimizing for the right things. Look for people who are kind. Don't try to go for the 10 out of 10 hot person. Like, if you're only optimizing for that, you're going to get disappointed. So I always suggest to people, if you're on a dating app, if you're not, try it out. This is an experiment. So try doing a dating experiment on the age specifications of what you're looking for. If you're like, oh, I only want to date 28 to 32, just try to add a couple years on how young and how much older you'll go. And try giving a chance and going out with people, or even FaceTime dating. Get to know people who are outside of your type, because chances are, if you're not satisfied with your relationship outcomes and you've had this type, well, the type isn't working out for you. And when I have people try the dating experiment, often they find, oh, this person I normally wouldn't give a chance to, I'm actually really enjoying their company. This is actually fun. And I typically tell people to do this with 10 different people. And what I have found with the people I've mentored is they usually don't make it to 10 because they give a chance to these different people. They expand their type, their range. And then along the way, they meet someone that they typically wouldn't have given a chance to. Or they build their tolerance to what healthy feels like and how it feels like when someone shows up and actually wants to date you back.